TPMS has evolved a lot over the last 10 years or so. Just when you thought you knew everything about TPMS service, a new technology or tool comes out of nowhere, forcing you to learn about these seemingly never-ending updates. These systems will only become more complicated, so it's important for technicians to understand the basics of TPMS service. Let's dive into the fundamentals of TPMS service that every technician should know. Look, you're adaptable, right? Even 10 years ago, most drivers didn't understand the safety benefits of TPMS service. However, thanks to your commitment, not only do technicians take TPMS service seriously, but more customers understand the safety benefits of these sensors as well. Arguably, the biggest advancement for TPMS in recent years was the development of specialized TPMS tools. Years ago, a TPMS tool's main function was to ping sensors and read the transmitted data during a relearn procedure. Now, modern TPMS tools combine diagnostic scan tool capabilities with low-power radio wave diagnostic features. Dedicated TPMS tools can do things like verify sensor and system functionality without needing a test drive. Manufacturers design specific procedures that can trigger a relearn, which makes sure that the TPMS light is off when the car leaves the shop. The key takeaway is to trust your TPMS tools by fully understanding their capabilities. The newest tools can simplify sensor replacement and service, and some even come with built-in training to guide your technicians through service. Regardless of the service, technicians should always follow the test before you touch approach when addressing TPMS complaints. Tell newer technicians to consult service information and technical service bulletins. Modern TPMS tools can assist by accessing module codes through OBD2 connections and measuring radio signal strengths from sensors and surrounding sources. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.